Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, please watch to the end. Subscribe, share with your friends. Today, we are talking about something very important but often misunderstood, and it's budgeting. Now, the moment some people hear the word budget, they start thinking, that means no more enjoyment. It means I must suffer, restrict myself, and deny myself every nice thing in life. But let me tell you the truth. Budgeting is not punishment. Budgeting is freedom. Freedom from always asking at the end of the month, where did my money go to? And here is the thing. Budgeting doesn't have to be complicated. You don't need a calculator and 10 pages of notes. You just need a simple method that works. So today, I'm going to teach you one of the easiest budgeting methods ever, the 3-jar method. It's simple that even if you've never budgeted in your life, you can start today. Stick with me to the end because I'm going to show you how to make budgeting a part of your life without stress. What is budget? Let's start at the very beginning. What exactly is budget? A budget is simply a plan for your money. That's it. Nothing too deep. It's you deciding this amount will go here and that amount will go there. Think about it like going to the market. If you go without a shopping list, you will spend anyhow. But if you go with a list, you buy what you need. You save time. You keep track of your money. It's the same thing with your income. Without a budget, your money disappears before you even realize it. But with a budget, you know exactly what every naira is going or where every naira is going. Why many people fail at budgets? Now, if budgeting is this simple, why do so many people fail? Let's be honest. Number one, we confuse our needs and wants. We say, I need that new phone. But the truth is, it's a want. Number two, we don't track our expenses. Money comes, money goes, and at the end of the month, we are surprised. We are broke. Number three, we think budgeting means we can't enjoy life. But that's wrong. In fact, budgeting allows you to enjoy life without guilt. That's why I like the next method so much. It's simple, clear, and flexible. The 3-jar method or the account method. Okay, let's get into the 3-jar method. Now, when I say jar, I don't mean a person's name. I mean an actual jar. That is a container. You keep rice, sugar, gari in at home. In budgeting, we use the idea of jars to make it visual and easy. Imagine you have 3 jars in front of you. Or if you prefer 3 envelopes, though I don't have the envelope here, or 3 bank accounts. Anytime money enters into your hand, you divide it into these jars or the envelopes or the bank accounts. Here is how it works. Jar 1 is for essentials. This is what you must have. That is, it's a necessity for you. Rent, food, transport, electricity, school fees, and so on. These are things you cannot do without. Then jar 2 is for enjoyment. Life is not only about bills. This jar is fun. Eating out, clothes, gifts, movies, outings. With this jar, you can enjoy guilt-free because you've already planned it. Then jar 3 is for the future. This is the jar where you pay yourself first. It's for savings, investments, emergency funds, or even paying off debts. This is where your financial growth happens. Let me give you a quick example. Let's say you earn 100,000 naira in a month. You could divide it like this: 60,000 naira goes into essentials, 25,000 naira goes into enjoyment, and 15,000 naira goes into the future. It doesn't have to be those exact numbers. The important thing is that every naira has a home. That way, you don't finish all your money on enjoyment and then start begging for transport before month end. This method works whether you earn 20,000 naira, 100,000 naira, or even 1 million naira, because the point is not how much you earn, it's how you divide it. Tips for sticking to your budget. Now, let's be real. Making a budget is the easiest part. The real challenge is sticking to it. So, let me share some tips that will make it practical. 1. Track small expenses. That's daily 500 naira puff puff and coke or biscuits. By month end, it's already 15,000 naira. Small leaks sink big ships. 2. Use envelopes or mobile wallets if jazz feels too imaginary. Use simple envelopes or separate accounts. Label them essentials, enjoyment, and future. When one finishes, that's it. No borrowing from the other. 3. Cut wastes. Audit your spending. Cancel subscriptions you don't use. Reduce impulse shopping. Those small cuts make a big difference. Number 4, reward yourself. Budgeting is not prison. That's why we have the enjoyment jar. Put fun in your budget so you don't feel deprived. 5, review monthly. Sit down at the end of every month and ask yourself, did I stick to my plan? Where did I overspend? Then you adjust. Remember, a budget is not a rigid law. It's a flexible guide. If something changes in your life, adjust the jars, but don't abandon the method. Let's recall all we've learned today. Budgeting doesn't have to be complicated. It's simply you giving your money clear instructions. With the 3-jar method, that is essentials, enjoyment, and future, you can manage your money better, reduce stress, and still enjoy life. Here is the most important lesson. If you don't tell your money where to go, it will disappear. But if you give every naira a home, you will always be in control. Yes. Now, let me ask you, if money entered your account today, which jar would you fill first? Is it essentials, enjoyment, or the future? Drop your answers in the comments. I want to hear from you. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because more practical financial tips are coming your way. Thank you for watching. And remember, your money should work for you, not vanish on you. Bye for now.